Globus Gates here, licensed, bonded, family owned, with another successful installation. Gate, side gate, we got a fence and we got a wall topper. We can do it custom made, any job you like. All made in the US, powder coated, different variation made from galvanized steel. Then we got aluminum planes going to the side. If you're wondering about the locks, you can choose any lock you want and we can install it. Here in Globus Gates, you get everything 100%, from quality, from service, from installation, A to Z. We're family owned, we're licensed and bonded. Then we got a motorized gate. It's 30 feet long. Everything is aligned from the side gate all the way to the fence. And then we start grading it up to the topper. We got a wall topper, very sturdy. Everything is capped. We got heavy duty grade. Get your gates with the best style, best quality, best price as well with Globus Gates.